Sony's flagship noise cancelling headphones have been the king for past few years and they continue to evolve. But with this new Mark 5, they have done a lot of the changes which you really like. But also there is one change which you will not like it. The new design of these headphones is minimal, sharp and clean. It comes in a dark and light variant. The ear cups are now larger and wider, and the new vegan leather material is softer and lightweight, ensuring comfort to wear it for a long time. These are the most comfortable noise cancelling headphones you will find. You still have a touch sensitive panel on the right side of ear cup for skipping, pausing, etc. And they still have on-off head detection in the ear cup, and you will get total 8 slots for microphones around the outside. But overall I still feel like this design is a downgrade for one main reason. Like the old version Mark 4, they are easily folded into their little case and good to go for travel, but with this new design it does not fold at all. The only way of adjusting the size of the headphones is this new sliding headband design, and as a result the case you carry is quite a bit bigger. The case is cool and inside it there is a magnetic door that holds your charging cable and an audio cable. So this Mark 5 comes at a $400 price tag. Despite a design flaw for years, they have been travel kings because they do A+ performance at noise cancellation. The previous Sonys had top-notch noise cancellation, but these are even better thanks to extra microphone and an upgraded processor. Like any noise cancelling headphones, they have a transparency mode with 20 adjustable levels in the app. They work really well. In terms of musical sound quality, they remain excellent and they also have a new 30mm carbon fiber driver. With L-back support, you can get a right combination with smartphones for a better experience. There is something interesting about these headphones is that in a crowded area, you can hear absolute silence and hear every detail of a song, which makes these headphones so good. The battery life you will get is 30 hours, which is crazy. A notable improvement is faster charging. You can plug them for 3 minutes and get 3 hours of listening, which is incredible for traveling. There is one minor thing I have to mention is that if you wear them, they don't fold down flat. They actually only fold up. In conclusion, whether for travel, music or calls, these headphones are really comfortable and premium noise cancelling headphones for $400. So this is it for these headphones. Thank you.